Hi guys, Marty Davis, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Today we're on this single lounger dual helm Harris 250 Sunliner. This boat is equipped with a pillow top, beach tan interior selection. It has a nice subwoofer from JL Audio, 9-inch Simrad screen, digital shift and throttle. It's got the upgraded steering wheel, LED light package. If you come around to the back, you can tell these seats got flip-up bolsters, making it easy to see over the front. You've got a dual battery switch with twin batteries. Harris does a nice job. One-hand hinge into your storage compartments. The rear is configurable into 3 different settings. You've got bumper holders here on the side of the boat. They pop out nice and easy. This clip right here fits into this grommet right here, making it easy to hang your bumper and remove your bumper when coming and leaving the dock. Storage in the back, again nice and easy to access. This one is actually an insulated cooler with the remote being down here so you can get to it by the water. Female plug goes right over that, and then you've got your USBs at the rear. Not much this boat doesn't offer for today's customer. Again, this is Marty Davis MarineMax. Thanks for watching.